Wind is air moving around, and it happens because the sun heats up the earth in different ways. Some places, like land, heat up faster than others, like water or the ocean. When the sun heats the earth, the air above it gets warmed up. And here's what happens next. 1. Warm air rises. When the sun heats up the air, it gets lighter and starts to rise. Imagine blowing up a balloon. The warm air is like the air inside the balloon that floats upwards. This warm air rises because it's not as heavy as the cooler air around it. 2. Cool air fills the space. When the warm air goes up, it leaves an empty space behind. To fill that space, the cooler air from the surrounding area rushes in. This rush of cooler air is what we feel as wind. It's like a game of tag. When the warm air runs away, the cool air chases it. 3. How this happens everywhere. The Earth's surface is heated unevenly. Some areas, like the land during the day, heat up quickly, while others, like oceans or forests, heat up slower. This creates areas of warm and cool air, and the wind blows to balance the differences in temperature. Why does wind change? Day and night. During the day, the land heats up quickly, causing wind to blow from cool areas to the warmer areas. At night, the land cools down, and the air moves in the opposite direction. Big changes in temperature. In places like the beach, the land heats up much faster than the water. This causes the air above the land to rise quickly, and cool air from the ocean rushes in to replace it, creating a nice breeze. What else affects wind? Mountains and hills. When wind blows across the land, mountains can change its path, causing the wind to speed up or slow down. The Earth's rotation, Coriolis effect. The Earth is constantly spinning, and this causes wind to twist a little, moving differently in the northern and southern hemispheres. Fun fact, the wind can blow in different directions depending on where you are and what the weather is like. For example, in hot weather, a cool breeze can feel super nice, and in cold weather, wind can make things feel much colder. So wind is just air moving around because warm air rises and cooler air rushes in to fill the space, all driven by the sun's heat and the way the Earth works. It's nature's way of balancing temperatures and making sure air stays in motion.